Let's evaluate the iterated integral given to us here. So the outer integral, we're going from 0, 1. The two inner ones, we're going from y to 4y, and from 0 to x plus y. We have 12xy dz dx dy. So let's go ahead and first evaluate this inner integral. So we have 0 to x plus y, 12xy dz. So this becomes 12xyz, because we're integrating with respect to z, and then going from x0, x plus 1, x plus y, this becomes 12xy times x plus y minus 0. Which is just 12xy times x plus y. This we can go ahead and plug in here. So that's going to give you the integral from y to 4y, and we have 12xy. I could distribute this 12xy, so let's say 12x squared y plus 12xy squared, and then that's dx. So this becomes, with respect to x, so it's 12x cubed y over 3, which is 4x cubed y, plus 12x squared y squared over 2, which is 6x squared y squared, and then y to 4y. This becomes 4 times 4y cubed times y, plus 6 times 4y squared times y squared, minus 4y to the 4th, because y cubed times y is y to the 4th, plus 6y to the 4th, because again, same thing, y squared, except we have y squared, and times y squared, which is y to the 4th. So this is 4 to the 4th y to the 3rd. So if we see what I did there, 4 to the 3rd, and then y to the 3rd is 4 to the 4th, because 3 plus 1 is 4, and then y to the 3rd. Really, it's going to become y to the 4th, actually. And then we will have plus 4, 6 times 4 squared. So I need a calculator for this one. This is going to be 16 times 6, 96. I personally you could do this on paper and you don't need a calculator, but I want to speed it up. So we have 16 times 6 is 96. Y squared y to the 4th, okay, minus 10y to the 4th. So 4 to the 4th is giving you 256 y to the 4th plus 96 y to the 4th minus 10 y to the 4th. We can just subtract all the constants, which will give you, or add all the constants. So remember that the 10 is negative. We end up getting 342 y to the 4th. This is going now into, well, all of this. So that becomes integral from 0 to 1, and this is just easy now. It's 342 y to the 4th dy. You end up getting 342 y to the 5th over 5, 0 to 1. which is just 342 over 5 times 1 to the 5th minus 0 to the 5th is 342 over 5. That's exactly 68.4 if you want it in decimal format, but you can keep it as 342 over 5. That's the iterated integral. That's your you can think about it as 4D volume, but volume is more of a three-dimensional idea. You can think about it as just that that region that we get below the surface in 4D, if you will call it a surface, above the region that we are integrating over, which is a 3D region. It's kind of a difficult thing to wrap around your head, but it's just this think about this idea, think about it in similar to the 3D volume, but in 4 dimensions. So you're just kind of extending a dimension.